Word Bird. Make words with duck by Belk Moncure. Illustrated by McEwan. One rainy day, Word Bird made word puzzles under an umbrella. Word Bird put D with uck. What did Word Bird make? Duck. Just then, Duck came over to play. I can make word puzzles too, said Duck. Duck put S with un. What word did Duck make? Sun. Sun. Just then, the sun came out. Word Bird put down the umbrella, but then the thunder rumbled. Word Bird put the umbrella up again. What can we do? Asked Duck. Word Bird put dr with What did Word Bird make? Drum. I have a drum, said Word Bird. Let's play your drum, said Duck. They played. Dum 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 dum. The thunder rumbled. Boom, boom. And dum, dum went the drum. Then the sun came out. Word Bird put the umbrella down again. What can we do now? Asked Duck. Word Bird put tr with uck. What did Word Bird make? Truck. 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 Let's play with my truck, said Word Bird. I have a dump truck. Duck found a mud puddle. Let's put mud in the dump truck, Duck said. They filled the dump truck with mud. Then they dumped the mud. Let's make mud pies, said Duck. They made lots of mud pies. The sun will dry the mud pies, said Duck. Let's jump over the mud puddle, said Word Bird. Word Bird jumped into the mud. Psh! Word Bird was stuck in the mud. Duck pulled Word Bird out. You must jump very high so you will not get stuck in the mud, said Duck. Suddenly, it began to thunder again. Word Bird put up the umbrella. What can we do now? Asked Duck. Word Bird put B with us. What did Word Bird make? Us. Bus. Bus. I have a little bus, said Word Bird. I will be the bus driver. Word Bird said. No, said Duck. I will be the bus driver. Then they had a fuss. Let's take turns, said Word Bird. You drive the bus, then I will drive the bus. The bus went bump, bump. Duck stopped the bus. Word Bird jumped out. Word Bird picked a bunch of buttercups for Duck. Duck gave Word Bird a hug. You can read more word puzzles with Word Bird. B-ug, r-ug, t-ug, t-ub, b-ompy, l-ompy, f-un, f-un, k-up, k-up, gr-ompy, gr-ompy, g-un, g-un, d-ompy, d-umpy, j-umpy, j-umpy. Bug, rug, tug, tub, bumpy, lumpy, fun. Cup, grumpy, gun, dumpy, jumpy. Now you can make some word puzzles.
Thanks for joining us, guys. And remember that AM and PM story time is for any time of the day, whether you're just waking up, noontime snacking, or bedtime is happening. Stop by and enjoy a book with us.